Welcome to the gorgeous Phi Phi Islands of Thailand. Today is a special day. It is our anniversary. So we've rented a private long-tail boat to be cruising around these beautiful islands in these crystal blue waters.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Our first stop of the day is at Monkey Beach, and it is exactly how it sounds. Monkeys hanging around in cliffs and at the beach. I get down in the water to have a closer look while Ritika chooses the safety of our boat. So the monkeys here have become very used to tourists feeding them bananas, and if they get too aggressive, just run back in the water because they don't enter it. We hung around the monkey beach for a bit until it was time to head out again.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
So the Phi Phi Islands are a group of 6 islands just 40 km from Phuket, and with its striking cliffs, white sand beaches, with jungles all around and clear blue waters, this place looks like paradise. None of the islands have roads. It is a national marine park. It is only accessible by boats, and we are finally here at its most beautiful bay. The reason why we came here, honestly. This place is so crowded, but
We had to count.
so is Mount Everest. Yeah? It's crowded for a reason.
Let's go.
Like this. We are finally here at the infamous Maya Bay, and this place has been in our bucket list forever. A small 10-minute walk through the tropical island jungle gets you to the gorgeous Maya Bay. Honestly, I have never seen a beach this beautiful. Surrounded by green limestone cliffs on 3 sides, the clearest white sand we have seen, and its shining blue waters, Maya Bay is just a dream. I am still lost for words, and I like that about this boat trip that we don't have to rush anywhere. We were here for almost an hour, chilling in Maya Bay. This is surreal. This doesn't look real, man. Wow.
Beautiful.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Same to you.
Happy 5 years. It's lovely to finish 5 years of being married at Maya Bay, ticking off our bucket lists. So with our hearts content at the beach Leonardo DiCaprio made so famous, we walk our way back to our boat. So we are just waiting at the pier at Maya Bay for our boat. This is a good thing of having a private boat, no? That is just coming. Yeah, there it is. Otherwise you have to wait for like the whole tour to come. Back in our traditional Thai long-tail boat, we find the most perfect spot to snorkel. The sea looks calm and refreshing as we get up to see some fish up close. Now, I'm no expert at snorkeling, but it helps when there's so many fish right under our boat. Seriously feels like another world down there. We swam around in the Andaman Sea in these turquoise blue waters, had a lovely packed lunch on our boat, some shrimp fried rice and a Thai iced tea. Seriously, just being at sea, docking our boat at the islands, the salty sea breeze, wind in our faces and waves around us. This day was truly memorable and one of the best anniversaries we've had so far. We passed through surreal limestone cliffs, breaking the waves on our small long-tail boat, taking in the views of this gorgeous country of Thailand. until of course reaching back to the mainland of Phi Phi dawn. So the Phi Phi Islands are a group of islands, 6 to be precise, and the largest of them all is the Phi Phi dawn. It is also the only island where you can stay at, and the island is full of small cafes, bars, hostels, restaurants, hotels, basically everything you need on your holiday with a slice of island magic. A small weed store and a beach cafe serving smoothies next door. This island had a heart. We had another hour to go before taking the ferry back to Phuket, and I think an hour is all you need to walk around the entire island. Also, when you're here, do not forget to try the local coconut ice cream. It is perfect to beat the heat on a sunny afternoon in the island. There are so many spots all around the island to just sit, chill and spend your day at. Honestly, the island moves at a time of its own, and after walking the entire island, we still had some time to hit a beach bar and cool down with a local beer. So the Phi Phi Islands are generally visited by tourists doing a day trip around the islands and taking the last ferries back to the mainland of Phuket or Krabi. But staying back, you will find a lot of young backpackers, scuba divers and party goers, turning this place into a young traveler's dream. Even though the Phi Phi Islands are only 40 minutes away from the mainland of Thailand, this place just seems like another world altogether. A different vibe. Still feels very remote, untouched, unlike the rest of Thailand. And that is when our plans change. See, originally we were supposed to take the last ferry back to Phuket and head back to our hotel. But the Phi Phi Islands just felt so beautiful, and it being our anniversary, we just did not feel like going back and somehow decided to spend the night here. And that was the end of the video, guys. It's still not the end of our day, but we're going to keep the rest for ourselves. So if you like this video, please leave a like, please subscribe to the channel, and yes, see you from somewhere soon.